Shucks, man. You gotta be reading my mind.
And the champion runs his course. Your mother really pushed you back into this.
I don't know mean how to proper roti like you big brother one.
Hey, you see the pose Ari in my class, right? Look at them curls. Sweet, sweet.
Nah, when I reach home, I had to wash, blow dry, grease down, not to mention tie down this hair. After I catch serious knockouts, you know my struggle.
Just try, man. Just try. You see Ari? Me and she can make some sweet, light-skinned children. Maybe, but not tonight.
Is Robby I just see jump me fence?
Yeah, can't forgive you yet.
Anyways, you see my big teeth comb?
Huh? No. I'm so sorry.
Rob, the food done. I ain't gonna talk again, you know, bye.
What did I tell you? When I'm upstairs, I can't hear you.
Hurry up and eat the food, then, man. So, how the friend of school?
You okay?
Alright. Rob, you best not be making a noise in me house.
Is what you said?
I said turn your blasted music down.
Oh, it's not me. It's Miss Ceilia. But look.
Rob, you best not be encouraging this unacceptable behavior.
But what do you think, sir?
Cause I want to forget blackout.
Tina, it's well past time you wake up now. Come on.
You see the way Ari looked at me this morning? I can marry she one day. I just feel it.
Keep dreaming, bud. What make you think the girl want to be with somebody like you?
Like me? That's what you mean?
You know, like them little Indian boy.
What?
Rob.
You sound more and more like your mother every day.
Nah, man, you know, it's just jokes I'm making.
No, it's fine. At least now I know where people think like, right?
Rob! Ma, you get the list?
No, I suppose to know where you keep your things.
But Ma,
There's not Robby there. Actually, look so. Is that the curry make you say so?
watch how your belly getting big. All right. That's it.
Is what you want?
It was your problem. Why you behaving like I do you something?
Cause you did. Look how long you had something to say to me, but you never did.
That don't make sense. We always make rough jokes. You always make rough jokes about my hair and how you frighten the sun. But when I say something, it's a problem.
Oh, I see. All this time, you had something to say to me, but now it only took this long to tell me. You and your mother hard black. My brother was right.
Nah, me taking though. At least my mother loves me. At least she didn't leave me and my brother to live and go live in Queens.
Rob, so you one time you were just happen outside?
Fighty fight. What else you want me to say?
She mother probably tell you something, right?
No, we both say hard words.
Yeah, but that don't mean that she gotta fight you because if something serious may happen to she outside, then what she mother would tell you?
I swing first, right?
You probably had a good reason, right?
You see? This is your problem. It's bad enough when she do it, but understandable when I do.
Yeah, but you see the little girl, she look very provoking, just like how she mother provoking everybody on a Sunday with the reggae music.
You know the reason they play reggae music every Sunday? Is because that was our father's favorite before he passed away. Well, if it was chutney, would it be the same thing?
Oh, Jesus.
Let me help you with the back.
No, I good. I don't need help.
But look, the back slipping out of your hand, girl. Come here, help you.
Thank you.
Look, Rob told me everything you've been telling Tina, and to be honest, I don't agree with none of the jokes you've been making.
Yeah, thanks for saying that. Because I heard what she said before I start fighting. Best believe she got earful from me after though. She also told me about your mom. You don't know what Robby this whole time.
I just try my best. You see, he used to be real sad, right? But then he and Tina became friends and he started to get more relaxed. And Robby also told me about your husband. I'm really, really sorry for him, man.
Yeah, it's been hard. Tina took it really hard. Yeah, but since you meet Rob, it's very skinny to them all the time upstairs. So, what we gonna do with these two who think they like fight?
You know what? I got an idea.
Wait.
Oh my God. Robby! This is crazy! Holy!
Oh, but why you mother so strong? You loosen.
You see how stupid y'all look yesterday?
What's your face, now? Now y'all apologize and make back up because we going inside.
What's going on? Market for my curry.
I think they're actually getting along now, you know.
I never thought this day would come.
Wow.
They're right though. I'm sorry. I never meant to offend you.
I'm sorry, too. I really shouldn't be making those dumb jokes.
So, you'd never guess who I found out have a crush on you.
Wait. Don't make joke. Don't make joke.
Ari!
Yeah.